Good morning, children. Welcome back. We are in block 3, lesson 4, subtracting mentally two-digit number minus two-digit number. The aim of today's lesson is to subtract two-digit numbers by counting backwards. Remember, by counting backwards mentally. Now, children, can you skip count backwards by 10 starting from 96? Try. Yes, if we skip count backwards from 96, we get the numbers as 86, 76, 66, 56, 46, 36 and so on. So today we will learn to subtract two-digit numbers by counting backwards. First, let us subtract two-digit numbers ending with a 0. Now, see, when we subtract a number ending with 0 to a two-digit number, see this number 20 is ending with 0. So, we are subtracting 20 from 47. 47 is a two-digit number. So, how we have to do? We have to start with a bigger number and count backwards by tens in the smaller number. So, let us see this example. 47 minus 20. Here 20 is ending with 0. So 20 has how many tens? It has 2 tens. We have to count backwards by 2 tens. But you have to start with the bigger number. Which is the bigger number? 47. So start from 47 and back count how many tens? 2 tens. So before 47, 37, 27. So your answer is 27. Just skip count backwards by 2 tens. Subtracting two-digit numbers using 100 chart. Again, there are 3 steps. The steps are same as we have done before. Starting with a bigger number, but since it is subtraction, we have to count backwards. Count backwards by as many tens as present in the smaller number. First you have to count backwards by number of tens, then you have to count backwards by number of ones. So let us take an example. See, the example here is 12 less than 28. So 28 minus 12. 12 less than 28 we have to do using 100 chart. So first find where is 28. See, you have to start with a bigger number. Bigger number is 28. So start with the bigger number 28. Now which is the smaller number? 12. So how many tens 12 has? It has 1 10 only. You have to count backward by 1 10. So 28. So 1 10 will be backward 1 10, 18. You have to move upwards. Now next step is to count the number of ones. Backward counting number of ones. So how many ones it has? It has 2 ones. So you have to move towards your left. Backward counting moving towards left. Forward counting moving towards right. So 18. You reached 18, right? So now you have to back count number of ones. So 2 ones. 17, 16. Which number did you reach? You reached 16. So 28 minus 12 is 16. First, think of the bigger number. Mark it on the 100 chart. Move backward by number of tens. Then after that, move backwards by number of ones. That is how you use 100 chart to subtract. Now, subtracting mentally without using 100 chart. Let us take an example. 47 taken away from 69. Okay, taken away. Taken away means subtraction. You have taken away. So 69 minus 45. You can write it in this way. So which is the bigger number? 69. Think of the bigger number and skip count backwards by as many tens as present in the smaller number. So how many tens it has? This is the smaller number, 45. It has 4 tens. So you have to skip count 4 tens backwards. Then we count backwards by number of ones in the smaller number. Then you have to back count by number of ones in the smaller number, that is 5 ones. So let's see how it is. Now first step is think of the bigger number, that is we start with 69, as it was 69 minus 45. So we begin with 69. We count backward in our head by 4 tens. Why 4 tens? Because smaller number is 45 and it has 4 tens. So start from 69 and back count 4 tens as 59, 49, 39, 29. See, 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. You reached where? 29. You finished your second step, that is back counting by tens. Now you have to back count by number of ones. 45 has how many ones? 5 ones. Now we count backward by 5 ones from 29, because 29 is the number you reached after back counting with tens. Now from here you have to back count by number of ones, that is 5 ones. So after back counting 5 ones, we will get before 29, 28, 27, 26, 25 and 24. So where did you reach, children? We reach number 24. Therefore 69 minus 45 is 24. This is how you do mentally without using 100 chart. Now children, open your workbook S4, subtracting mentally 2-digit numbers minus 2-digit numbers. The first question here is find the difference by counting backwards. You already know subtraction means counting backward. Now see the first two questions, the number is ending with 0, isn't it? So 45 minus 20. 20 is the smaller number and it ends with 0. So you just have to count backwards by number of tens in 20, that is 2 tens. So back count, start with a bigger number, 45. So 35, 25. Your answer is 25. In the similar way, start with a bigger number, 67 in your mind, and count backwards by 5 tens, because 50 has 5 tens, as 57, 47, 37, 27 and 17. So your answer will be 17. Question number 2, subtract mentally to complete the puzzle. There is one puzzle given here, you have to subtract mentally, or you can check the answer by using the hundreds chart. 100 chart is given here, you can use this chart also. So first 73 minus 47. 73 is the bigger number, keep in your mind and do subtraction by counting backwards mentally. So the answer you get is 26. In the similar way, subtract 89 minus 56. Keep the bigger number in your mind and count backwards by number of tens as in small number, then number of ones as in small number. So 89 minus 56, you get 33 as your answer. So here it comes 33. Then 29 minus 16. 29 minus 16. The answer is 13. Now next question is a story problem. Diana had to give out 56 invites. She was left with 19 invites. How many invites did she give out? Again here you have to subtract 19 from 56 to get the answer. So 56 minus 19 is 37. Your homework is lesson 4, subtracting mentally 2 digit minus 2 digit. The first question here is fill in the blanks. 10 less than 46. So 10 less than 46. Again subtraction here. So you have to back count 110. 46, if you back count 110, it becomes 36. Next question is 89 minus 2 tenths. 2 tenths is 20. 89 minus 20. 89 minus 20 is how much, children? To back count 2 tenths. 79, 69. So the answer is 69. 4 tenths less than 78. 4 tenths is 40. So back count 40 starting from 78 as 68, 58, 48, 38. So 38 is the answer. Second question, find the difference. Circle the correct answer in each subtraction. So you have to do it mentally and circle the correct answer. 65 minus 35. Do it mentally and circle the correct answer. Third one is solving the problems. Kavya subtracted 37 from 82. She got 55 as the answer. Is it correct or not? You have to check. If it is not correct, you have to write the correct answer. Now again, question number B is a story problem. Manjot's father brought 1 kg of potatoes. He gave the shopkeeper a rupees 50 note. The shopkeeper gave him rupees 12 as change. What was the cost of 1 kg of potatoes? Here also again you have to do subtraction, that is back counting. From 15 take away 12. So 50 minus 12. So you will get the cost of potatoes. The cost of potatoes is 38. Right. Okay children, thank you.